guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to attempt to answer the question, does color corrector actually make a difference? I have never really been one to color correct all that much. Today we're doing it, we're color correcting. I bought this little palette like several weeks ago to make this video. I only recently started kind of color correcting using the CoverGirl Color Correcting Serum, Moisturizer, and Primer. I love this thing. I live by it. It's amazing. It's my favorite primer I have ever tried. I am obsessed with it, and I really do find that it neutralizes the skin so well. So I'm not even gonna lie, I knew that green neutralizes red and peach neutralizes purple and like dark spots, but I honestly had no clue about yellow and purple. So basically, yellow is supposed to neutralize hyperpigmentation and dark spots as well, like peach, except peach does it like specifically, I think, for under the eyes. At least that's what I've seen it most used for. And then lavender like brightens the skin. It neutralizes dullness. I'm going to be color correcting on my right side, and my left side I'm not going to be touching. First, I'm going to take the peach, and we're going to, I guess we should probably swipe to get a good thumbnail picture. I have a lot of purple around my eyes, so I'm also going to be putting it on my eyelid. I also have a ton of redness, so taking the green, and we're just gonna plop her on there. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm not really sure where I have dullness. I feel like a little bit down here, so I don't know. Please, if I'm doing this wrong, someone help me. I don't really feel like I need yellow. I'm gonna take my concealer buffer brush because I don't want to take away any coverage or anything. Because I'm fairly positive that these things are not supposed to be like fully blended. Like blended, but like you don't want it to disappear. I don't know, I can't imagine doing this like every day. I mean, maybe just for full glam, I guess. My face looks strange. Okay. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Hourglass Vanish Stick. Okay, next up, concealer. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Then I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I guess in a way we're just seeing is it worth it? Like, is it worth it to take the time to color correct? Can you guys tell a difference so far? I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm going to be honest. I took some pictures. I looked at them. In natural lighting, I kind of like this side better. In this lighting here, I prefer the side without the color correction because I feel like my skin looks better. I don't know. There's something about it. To me, this side looks so pale and honestly more dull than this side. I don't know what it is. I'm just saying. I do feel like around my eye I like it better. Like I really feel like the peach has definitely done something. But maybe I'll change my mind when I actually go back and watch this, because as you guys know, I cannot see that well right now. So I will put in the description how I felt when rewatching this while I'm editing, to see like how I really feel about it. I don't think that I like it better. And honestly, I don't think it made a big enough difference for me to want to go through that like every time I wear my makeup. If I did something incorrect, please kindly tell me in the comments, because like I've seen people color correct and I feel like I did it right. I will say I think it blended fine. It doesn't look like I have like a whole nother layer or something underneath my foundation. But I just genuinely don't see that big of a difference. And the difference I do see, I don't think is worth it. And I don't even like as much as the side just without, just plain. So I personally feel like I see a bigger difference just using my color correcting primer in my skin than I do right now. Anyway, I think that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Maybe not, since I don't really think I'm gonna enjoy color correcting. I'm glad to have this little palette in case I ever do want to color correct, but genuinely I don't think it's a super... I don't think it makes a big enough difference. Maybe if I'm doing like full coverage makeup or something, I'm gonna like want some extra. I don't know. But currently, I don't think it makes enough of a difference for me to go through that like every time I do my makeup. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. Fingers crossed we get back to a normal schedule very, very soon. I will post the picture that I just took of how I've been sitting here this whole time because I can't sit crisscross applesauce like I like to. So it's been interesting. Anyway, I still think I'm posting videos every week, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!